Hello and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking to update ourselves with the profit update for the week, and this is between the 5th and the 9th of August. So just going to show you everything and all the trades that we've gone through. But quickly, just before we get into the actual video, on our YouTube page, if any of our videos has helped you with your trading or analysis, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're very close to our target of 1,000 subscribers. And after that, we're going to be providing a lot more value in terms of the future. So obviously, we'll aim to provide you with more content, which will help you with trading. So yeah, if you could go ahead and subscribe, that'd be absolutely amazing. So with the actual video now, so what we'll start off with is with the pound US dollar. Now, so in terms of the positions that we made with the pound, we couldn't actually get our actual targets, what we was looking for. So what I was looking for here was the retest of the monthly key level before we head back down to or head to either direction really. So what instead happened, we took on the breakout, and that was mentioned on our Twitter. So we roughly covered about 50 pips just on the Friday. So just under 50. So that was for pound USD, and that's a picture is on our Twitter. So if you go ahead and look at the pound US dollar thread. Moving on to Euro USD, we managed to catch this trend here. What I was looking for was either a push to the upside and a retest of our bottom trend line, but we managed to find support on our blue zone here. And approximately we saw this rise to our next key level zone, roughly about 60 to 70 pips for that one. So approximately 50 plus 70, yeah. And then what happened was we consolidated here. So we decided to get out of this and wait for the price to actually make a move for next week. So that we'll get into that in another video. Moving on to USDJPY. So this is our scenarios. We found one key point here. So we couldn't find any upside momentum as I thought we could have done because of the breakout of this consolidation. But we managed to find an entry position here, and we took down to our key level point here. And so this wick here, if you can see, we got into the blue zone here, and that confirmed our touch as a retest. And we could have taken profit to 73, but we didn't actually take this because of entry position wise, but this would have been a valid entry for next time. So we'll encounter that for next time, but obviously we learn together. But we did take this retest of our monthly key level here, and it sent us to about 60 pips, I believe. So 60 pips for USDJPY. Moving on to gold. We had a good run with gold actually in the start of the week. As soon as the video published, we found entry position on our top key level here, the breakout, and we let this ride all the way up to roughly 2.3% really. So that was a big gain for gold. Right now we're just consolidating here, potential uprise again. So obviously look for that in the weekly analysis video specifically for gold. So that's 3% for gold. I'm moving to Bitcoin. Yeah, we got in here just before the indecision candle, then we got the breakout. So this sharp rise to our next key level here. So that was 5% there, Bitcoin. This was because of the indecision here, and then we took ahead as we closed above it with blind colors. We didn't get any retest at the bottom, hence why we took the long way, the long option, so buy. We had a rejection here as well. If you have a look at the wick against the trend line, and that's why we headed upwards. So that a shorting option was not a possibility here. And finally, for Ripple, we found a re-entry eventually just here from that wick rejection, and we sent us down here back to our key level at 0.29469. So, and that is roughly 3% for that. So approximately, just adding everything up, just quickly just do it right now. 70, 60, 180 pip, so 180 pips just for the week for this, for the forex pairs, and then approximately 11% with gold and Ripple and Bitcoin. So that will be all for the profit update for this week, for the 5th to the 9th of August. We'll obviously do this update thing again in the next week, just to keep ahead and track with everything. If you want to follow what we're doing, go ahead and follow our Twitter, which is in the bio, at KMTRADERS_. We'll provide the updates, including the screenshots of all the pairs that we've covered throughout each of the videos. So it's a good chance for people to kind of learn what we're doing. We update each pair with simple technical analysis, so it's good for people who are learning and just getting into forex trading. So if that's something that interests, go ahead and definitely give us a follow. And finally, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're almost at our 1,000th subscriber goal, so got some future plans with taking our YouTube channel to our next step, so working together to produce some more content with more value. So if you want to stay ahead with keeping the loop with all our updates, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you next week.